Now, in other news, the High Court in Nyeri has handed the death penalty to a 35-year-old man found guilty of defiling and killing Baby Tamara Blessing in Nyeri last year. Justice Kizito Magare held that the offense involved sexual abuse, breach of trust, and extreme suffering inflicted on the victim. NTV's Susan Waweru has that story.
Finally, 7-year-old Tamara Blessing, who was defiled and killed on May 24, 2025, in Nyeri area before being buried under the suspect's bed in Nyeri County, has received justice.
Accordingly, I find that you are hereby sentenced to death. A death warrant shall be transmitted to the competent authority for signing and carrying out of the sentence after 30 days stay of execution. You have 14 days to appeal, and I close the file.
Nicholas Julius Macharia was sentenced on his own plea of guilt. Macharia had initially denied the charge, but later changed his mind and admitted to having committed the crime. Macharia had initially denied the charge, but later changed his mind and admitted to having committed the crime. Justice Kizito Magare's verdict was based on the evidence adduced in court, including the deceased clothing, items allegedly used in the commission of the crime, CCTV footage showing movements of both the accused and the deceased, as well as investigation reports and a mental assessment report of the accused. A post-mortem report indicated that the child endured severe suffering before her death.
The manner of killing was most remarkable, in the most remarkable sense. Sexual violence was disproportionate to the age of the victim. The vaginal ligaments were violently torn by penile entry with discharge of copious amount of spermatozoa with a long and endurance exercise where mercy and compassion were not felt.
The court also considered a victim impact statement presented by the child's mother, who narrated the emotional pain that continues to affect her and the community. Although the accused pleaded for leniency, the court found that he did not deserve it.
Sikuona ukisikia uchungu wale wengine wamesikia. You had a disturbing lack of empathy.
The court noted that the gravity of the offense was aggravated by the fact that the accused was known to the victim's family, further compounding the breach of trust. Justice Kizito cited Section 204 of the Penal Code and Section 69 of the Prison Act, which provides the sentence.
And the Prisons Act provides this way. When any person is sentenced to death, he shall be hanged by the neck until he is dead, and the sentence shall be carried out in a manner as the Commissioner shall direct. Section 204 provides that the sentence for murder is death. There have been no mitigating factors demonstrated that will remove the death penalty from consideration.
Tamara's family is now at peace.
I'm very contented with the verdict of Justice Kizito, because such people have no place in society. The perpetrator was not remorseful in any sense.
It's not easy when you have to get children who have died so violently, but today our voice was loud and clear.
The court stated that the sentence reflects the seriousness of the offense, condemns the act, and seeks to protect society from similar crimes. Susan Waweru, NTV.